The state BJP has denied reports that party spokesperson H.M. Shangpliang will join the NPP. Dismissing the report as nothing but speculation, Cabinet Minister and senior BJP leader A.L. Hek said he had met Shangpliang on Wednesday and no such discussion had taken place. Asked to explain the status on the show cause notice that the BJP was planning to serve on Shangpliang, the BJP leader said the party will look into the matter.
Yesterday, I sat with Shangpliang also. He has not told me anything that he is leaving the party.
But the NPP is confirming.
If the other party is confirming, but the BJP, there is no information to me, at least, to the BJP.
What did he say to you?
We were just sitting and discussing with Shangpliang. Yesterday also he was with me only.
So did you discuss about him going to other party?
He had not told me anything to go to any other political party.